Okay, in this example we have two switches, switch 1, switch 2 and sensor, all three on line B. And then we have two groups we are controlling, G1 which is on line B as well, and G2 which is on line A. So switch 1 turns both G1, G2 on, switch 2 turns G1, G2 off, and the sensor will turn G1, G2 off when there is no movement. Okay, now we can use the DALI wizard. I've connected to my controller to line B, and this is scan the unit. Okay, this is line B. We've got group 1 which has 3 units in it. Now we scan the electronic control devices. Okay, these are devices. This is the switch. Use this as switch 1 and this as switch 2, and this is our multi-sensor. Now we go and scan our line B. That's our line A. Connect to line A. Scan our line A. Okay, we have this is our group 2. Okay, now you can program our switches and sensor. This is my switch 1 which turns the groups on. Open. I've already programmed this switch type action and actions on the recall max, and the target group 1 which is group 1 on line B. Make sure you copy profiles, duplicate profile, so all the profiles are the same. Okay, and then we sync this one. I've already done this, so to speed it up, go to the second switch. Okay, I'll open switch 2 which is off switch. Open it, switch type action again. The actions are off and the group is group 1 again. Again, make sure you duplicate profile, so all the profile the same, and then sync it. Now we program our multi-sensor which is also on line B. Highlight, open. Okay, mode will be absence detection, detection action, recall max. Override period I've selected 1 minute. This is for test purposes. In real life you probably choose 15, 20, 30 minutes, whatever you like. The target group is again the group 1 on line B. We can also go to the advanced functions, and on the received on command select 10 on with PIR enabled. Okay, make sure you duplicate the profiles. Okay, so all the same, and then sync it. Okay, now we open up our monitor program. First thing we do is configure our points. Go to configure points. In this case I have points 1, 2 and 3 in line A, and points 7, 8, 9 on line B. And I'm setting this point 7 on line B as selector. So I go in here and tick pole level and priority level. Click OK. Then go to network variables. Need to create a network variable. Okay, just give it a name. I've called it line B G1 zone control location, and make sure you enable it, and also tick profile 3 and profile 4. The type zone control, the control group and selector, and the scan time I've changed it to 600 milliseconds, and the variable number 1. Okay, we need to create a receiver for that. You can give it a name here, location again, enable it, profile 3 and 4. Okay, the type here is the UDP, select that one, and network variable. Okay, to that one. Then we go to our groups. So I've created these two groups, okay, group 1 on line B and group 2 on line A. We go to group 1 line B, we select our point, and then we set this one as a selector, okay, 0.7, and we add our network variable, okay, network variable 1 just by double clicking there basically and selecting it, and okay. Then we go to our group 2, which is on line A, and add the points, which is 1 to 3, and network variable, the receiver, we add it here. Okay, and make sure you sync it, synchronize the controller, and then we can test it. Now we're going to test it. This is my group 1 on line B, and this is the group 2 on line A. Okay, this is my on switch, this one here, and this is the off switch, and this is the sensor. Okay, you press the on switch, okay, both group come on, we turn off switch, both turn off, on again, bit of delay but the other one comes on. Okay, now basically the sensor takes over. If you cover the sensor, so we set it up after 1 minute to go to mean, and then after another minute to go off. Okay, after 1 minute gone to mean, and then another minute be off. Off. There you go.